officially made it to Mackinaw City for camping weekend. It is our 2-year wedding anniversary, so we are very excited. It was about a 6-hour drive from Chicago, which it felt longer because we had to pull the campers, so we had to go kind of the speed limit or under the speed limit, which was our first time pulling the camper, and like I said, it was 6 hours, and that was fun. Josh drove the entire time because I do not feel comfortable driving that thing, especially leaving the Chicagoland area and going through Indiana. No, 294, no thank you. But we are super excited to be here this weekend and just spend time in the outdoors and in our new pop-up camper. This is our setup. All the stuff, like our duffel bags, fan, random stuff there. Here's a table up. Stove. Cook outside though. And then you got this water gadget thingy for the 5-gallon water jug. You just press it and it pours out. Very nice. We use it for our water, the dog's water. That's basically it. Then here's our bed. I got my pregnancy pillow under there, that's why there's a hump. And then we put this down now for the dogs to lay down. They're just more comfortable that way. Aspen did sleep just on the bench seat here, and then last night, and then this is usually down, and Jack slept here last night because I think he was a little hot. We got our fridge, cabinets. This is just the realness of our first camping trip in Randy. Jack's hanging out with us. Aspen's in there. She's scared of the stove. It's pretty cold here. Our walking tacos. And I have leftover miles walking Taco Bell that I'm gonna add on to it. This is the park store. You can rent bikes. There's mini golf. Cute in there. And drinks. Hot chocolate and French vanilla cappuccino. This is the store, convenience store. We're going on a hot girl walk with our drinks to the trash, wherever that may be. We tried doing that with Jax and Aspen earlier, but we went the wrong direction and it was getting too far and Jax was over it. When we turned around, he literally grabbed his leash and started walking. Oh, there's the sun. It's still cold. The pups are in the camper. They're taking naps. Josh and I went to shower this morning. I just washed my body. Showers were nice. You have to keep pressing a button to make sure that it's still on, but it's okay. Other than that, it was a good shower, warm, clean, and yeah, perks of being at a private campground. Jax is hanging out with us. What's on the menu today?
Chorizo taco.
What do you think? Tacos with hash browns. Yum. And then Aspen's hiding because we're cooking. It's okay. Brought the puppies. We're going on the boardwalk. We're in St. Ignace. I hope I'm saying that correctly. But we're gonna walk around downtown and go on the boardwalk. Have lunch here, ice cream. Literally hopped off the car right in front of an ice cream shop. It smelled so good, so we're definitely going there. Me too. Go walk on the boardwalk. There's a lot of flies. No, I think they're mayflies. What do you call them? Gross. We're gonna do our baby announcement on Instagram and Facebook and gender reveal, so we're gonna be doing this. I bought a toddler chair, purple. Girl, it's gonna be perfect.
I just meant with a light beer.
A light beer. None for you, Miss Mio. I'm getting the blueberry waffle. Nap time with the pups. We had a long day out, so we're napping. For dinner tonight, marinated bulgogi beef, and then we got radish kimchi and fish cakes. Oh yeah, we were gonna do rice, but we don't really want to cook that much.